This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: halogen bulbs are gas-filled and under pressure and may shatter if the surface is scratched or the bulb is dropped. Wear eye protection and handle the bulbs carefully. Do not touch the surface of the bulb with your fingers because the oils from your skin could cause the bulb to overheat and fail prematurely. Disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Remove the air inlet tube assembly. Remove the trim panel above the radiator grille. Then remove the radiator grille. Remove the front bumper cover, starting with detaching the splash shield fasteners from the bumper cover. Remove the lower bumper cover push pin fasteners. Carefully separate the front bumper cover side clips from the fenders using a trim tool. Remove the bumper cover. Remove the headlight housing mounting bolts. Pull the housing away from the vehicle enough to disconnect the electrical connectors, then completely remove the headlight housing. Remove the dust cover from the headlight housing. Unlock the bulb retainer and remove the bulb. Be careful not to touch the bulb with your fingers. Insert the new bulb in the proper direction and secure the bulb retainer. Install the bulb dust cover. Install the headlight housing, first connecting the electrical connectors. Install the mounting bolts and tighten them securely. Install the bumper cover, inserting the top two fasteners temporarily to prevent it from falling. Secure the bumper cover sides to the fenders, locking them in place. Reattach the splash shield to the bumper cover and secure all the fasteners. Install the bumper cover lower fasteners. Install the radiator grille. Then the trim cover above it. Install the air inlet tube assembly and secure the pushpin fasteners onto the trim cover. Reconnect the negative battery cable.